Hello everyone, welcome back to linear equation lecture number 13, and today we'll be continuing with problem set only. I had completed main question number 7, main question number 6, main question number 4 and question number 5. Main question number 4 and main question number 5 are interlinked, like they are related based on determinant and Cramer's rule. So today I'll be starting with uh, मेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 एंड लेक्चर नंबर कॉन्जिक्यूटिव लेक्चर इसके बाद वाला जो लेक्चर होगा दैट विल बी फॉर योर मेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ठीक है, so shall I go with the topic? I hope the color is visible. Let me do the full screen and we'll start with main question number 4 of your problem set. ठीक है, and what is the question? Find the value of determinant. Find the value of determinant. Find the value of determinant. ठीक है, what is the first question in this? The first question is here 4237. So see, problem set questions of problem set are just for revision or practice. If you are very thorough with the questions of exercise, then these questions are just game for you. You should remember हम लोग कैसे जाते हैं, तो हम लोग ऐसे ही जाते हैं. So it would be 4 into 7 minus 2 into 3, या minus 3 into 2, whatever. It would remain same. So it is going to be 28 minus 6. So here it is going to be 28 minus 6 is now 22. Let's go with second question. What is second question? It is 5 minus 3 minus 2 and 1. कैसे solve करेंगे इसको? Whenever there is minus, see to it that you will apply bracket. तो ये हो जाएगा 5 into 1. ऐसे ही जाएंगे हम लोग, isn't it? Minus sign बाहर as it is, then minus 2 into minus 3, minus 3 into minus 2, whatever. So here it is going to be 5 minus as it is, minus 2 into minus 3 is 6, which is equal to 5 minus 6, which is equal to minus 1. So this is your answer for your second question. So let me go ahead with question number third. क्या बोला क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड में? 3, 1, minus 1 and 4. What is this going to be? 3 into 4. इधर ऐसे जाएंगे हम लोग, 3 into 4 minus as it is, बड़ा ब्रैकेट डाला बिकॉज इधर एक माइनस है, तो minus 1 into 1. So it is going to be 12 minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So 12 plus 1, which is equal to 13. So this is just a warm-up question. And here with this, we are done with the fourth question of your problem set. Now, continuing with the fifth question in the same lecture. Fifth question consists of total 5 sub-questions in it. 2 questions I will cover here and 3 questions I will cover in the lecture number 14. Okay? So just give me a moment. I'll just share the textbook also. Hope the textbook is visible. I'm talking about this question, that is question number 5. I am going to solve these 2 questions in today's lecture and remaining 3 I record it in lecture number 14. Okay? So what is the first question? I'll just switch off my screen so that you have a full screen view. So sorry, मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया था. Never mind. So now starting with problem set. देखा, अभी ये बोर्ड का नखरा चालू हो गया. Hope so you can write properly. So starting with problem set. Give me a moment, guys. Give me a moment. I'll just restart this entire board. Okay, so here we ended. So we'll start from here only. So practice set. Sorry, problem set. I don't know what's wrong with me today. So sorry, problem set. Question number 5, main question number 5. Solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. Solve following simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. ठीक है, Cram नहीं है वो, Kramer है. I hope you all understand. And let me choose some color which is visible to you all. So starting with the first equation which is given to me, that is nothing but 6x minus 3y is equal to minus 10, and 3x plus 5y is equal 3x plus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. So sorry, minus 8 is equal to 0. ठीक है, These are the equation given to me. So let me just number them. 6x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. ये जनरल फॉर्म में ही है, तो इसको 1 दे दिया. इधर 3x plus 5y is equal to 8 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. This will be my equation number 2. I need to solve it using Kramer's rule. Be careful. So you need to compare it with the standard form. Comparing with a1x. ऐसा ही लिखो, a1x plus b1y plus c is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. ठीक है. बेसिकली ये इसको और वो इक्वेशन फर्स्ट को. ठीक है. तो मुझे क्या मिल जाएगा, a1 is equal to a2 is equal to b1 is equal to b2 is equal to c1 is equal to and c2 is equal to. What is the value of a1 I am getting? It is 6. What is value of a2? It is 3. What is value of b1? It is minus 3. Here it is 5. ये value ना, like people are still confused इतने lectures के बाद, so I am just going a bit slow. Value of c1 is equal to minus 10 and here it is 8. Once you get the value, first of all, normal determinant, that is nothing but a1, a2, b1, b2. ठीक है, which is equal to 6, 3, minus 3, 5, which is going to give me 6 into 5 minus बड़ा सा bracket into minus 3 into 3. It is going to give me 30 minus of minus 9, which is equal to 30 plus 9, which is equal to 39. Okay, hope it makes sense. Now dx के लिए क्या करने का, ये जो x के कोएफिशिएंट है उसको हटा के कांस्टेंट डालने का. तो dx will be c1 c2 b1 b2 remains as it is. Okay, तो इधर मुझे क्या आ जाएगा, मेरा -10 8 -3 5. Go systematically. The question is easy. -10 into 5 minus of -3 into 8 -3 into 8. So here it is gonna give me, क्या दे रहा है मुझे वो, -10 है guys, ये -10. -10 into 5 is -50 and -3 into 8 is -24. So it's going to be -50 plus 24, which is equal to -26. I hope there are no doubts up to here. And if there are any doubts, if you are not understanding the calculations or working, you all are free to comment in the comment section and let me know. dy is equal to, dy बोला है तो b1 b2 रिप्लेस हो जाएगा कांस्टेंट से, तो इधर आ जाएगा a1 a2 c1 c2, which is equal to 6 3 minus 10 8. So now I will be speeding up. 6 into 8 minus of minus 10 into 3. Now these calculations are pretty easy for you. Okay, where minus 10 into 3 is 30, minus of minus 30 is plus 30, which is equal to 78. ठीक है, so ये मिल गया मुझे 39, ये मिल गया मुझे 78. Now let me go ahead. d मिल गया, dx मिल गया, dy मिल गया. So now by Kramer's rule, what I am getting, x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. So here am I going to get minus 26 upon 39, which is equal to minus 2 by 3. 13 का टेबल आना चाहिए guys. dy upon d, here it is going to be 78 upon 39, which is equal to 2. ठीक है, 3 के टेबल में जाएगा. तो अगर नहीं आता है तो जस्ट चेक. 3 2s are 6, बचा एक 18, 3 6s are, 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 13 1s are, and ये 2s are. So I have elaborated the calculations as well. So I hope the first question is very clear to everyone. Okay, you all can just pause the video wherever you are writing or wherever you are stuck up and you all can just see. अच्छा नहीं समझा रहेगा तो you can refer the previous lecture series as well of exercise. And अभी second question करेंगे तो थोड़ा और भी clear हो जाएगा, so never mind. So question number 2. 4m minus 2n is equal to minus 4, and second equation is 4m plus 3n is equal to 16. So now you are so much scholars that you all can write comparing with so and so. ठीक है, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. मैं वो general form लिख रहा हूँ since I'm not writing a1 a2 वगैरह वगैरह, that then I'm leaving up to you now. So a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2. ठीक है, so here it is going to be, so sorry, actually facing some network issues as well as I'm not well, so voice is not good. ठीक है, anyways a1 का वैल्यू क्या है 4, b1 का a1 का 4, a2 का 4, b1 का -2, b2 का 3, c1 का -4 and c2 का 16. Now same procedure, d is equal to dx is equal to and dy is equal to, d is equal to so nothing but a1 a2 b1 b2, एंड इधर आ जाएगा कांस्टेंट के कांस्टेंट्स आ जाएंगे सिंस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट b1 b2 एज इट इज. ठीक है, तो इधर क्या आएगा मुझे, सबसे पहले डिटरमिनेंट निकाल लेते हैं. 6 3 -3 5, एक मिनट सॉरी इधर क्या आ जाएगा 4 4 -2 3, मेरा ध्यान ही नहीं था. सो हियर इट वुड बी 4 into 3. So 4 into 3 minus 2 into 4. 12 minus of -8, that is 12 plus 8, which is equal to 20. I hope if I go a bit fast with calculations, now you understand. Achha, here we are not talking with respect to x, we are talking with respect to m. dm is equal to, okay, direct message is equal to -4 16 -2 3, which is equal to -4 into 3. ये तुम्हारा पहला हो गया माइनस ऑफ -2 into 16. ये आ जाएगा मुझे -12 माइनस ऑफ -32, दैट इज +32, विच इज इक्वल टू 20. सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा, साइंस देखो. dn is equal to, now here it is going to be a1 a2 and here it is going to be c1 c2. कांस्टेंट आ जाएगा, तो इधर मुझे आएगा 4 4 -4 16. ये सॉल्व करने में मजा आएगा. एनीवेज इट्स रियली गुड, मतलब एकदम अच्छे क्वेश्चन है, एकदम मजा आता है सॉल्व करने को, प्रोवाइडेड यू हैव दैट इंक्लिनेशन टुवर्ड्स मैथ्स. -4 into 4, so I'm going to get a 64 minus of -16 is +16, which is equal to 80. ठीक है, now mn मिल गया. so by Cramer's rule I am going to get m is equal to dm upon d and n is equal to dn upon d. Here it is gonna be 20 upon 20, which is equal to 1, and here it is going to be 80 upon 20. ये देखो 0 0 इधर भी कट गया, 2 upon 2 1, 0 0 कट गया, 2 1s are 2 4s are, so it is 4. So m and n का वैल्यू is 4. इधर भी फाइनल आंसर लिखना कंपलसरी है, that is m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 4 is the solution of given simultaneous equations. ठीक है, and in next lecture we will start with the remaining questions. ये फाइल क्यों लोड नहीं हो रहा है, I don't know. ठीक है, so that is your next question. एक मिनट, I'll share the textbook again. That is I guess page number 30 कुछ तो है, 30 35 रहेगा कुछ तो, I don't know. हाँ ये रहा प्रॉब्लम सेट, ये देखो. So basically मैंने बोला था ये लीनियर इक्वेशन 14 में रिकॉर्ड कर दूंगा मैं, जो भी अपकमिंग लेक्चर है. I don't recollect the number. So basically question number 3, 4 and 5 at present are homework. Think upon it and then I will solve it in the upcoming lecture, that is lecture number 14 या कुछ भी हो सकता है वो, ठीक है. So just try upon it, think upon it and come. ये दो क्वेश्चन हम लोग के आज के लेक्चर में हो गए, ठीक है. So I hope you have understood the things. I mean, understood today's lecture. The lecture is these questions are extremely easy provided you keep on solving the questions, and you should have a habit of solving maths on continuous basis, or else it's going to give you pain at the end. ठीक है. So better don't keep that plan कि एग्जाम के टाइम पे पढ़ लेंगे, इजी है, एग्जाम के रात के पहले बैठेंगे हो जाएगा, बट वो फिर क्वालिटी नहीं होता है पढ़ाई का. That's for short term. If you are planning something good, if you have good goals, and if you want to really pursue something and you have good inclination towards the subject, see to it that you keep on practicing daily, especially all the types of equation, that is linear equation, quadratic equations. ये टॉपिक्स बहुत मस्त है, ठीक है. So भाषण के लिए कभी एक अलग लेक्चर रखेंगे. So we'll end for today, ठीक है. Stay tuned, have a good day, and all the best for your unit test since it's approaching. Bye bye.